Press both buttons to turn on the transmitter. If the transmitter controller alarms, push all switches upward to turn it on. Insert the helicopter propellers. Pull down the nose latch to open the canopy. Connect the battery and wait for the helicopter to finish self-check. Switch the mode to the GPS. Wait for it to search for satellites until the green light stays on. Toggle the control sticks on both sides. Check if the servos move normally. Hold the helicopter and rotate it in a full circle, ensuring the flight controller remains steadily lit green. Close the canopy and fasten the latch. Inverted V-stick movement to arm the helicopter. If unlocked successfully, green light flashes slowly. Release the sticks and turn the arm switch to run. Wait for the motors to finish spooling up. Push the left stick up to take off. Push the right stick up to move the helicopter forward. Push the right stick down to move it back. Push the right stick left to move it left. Push the right stick right to move it right. Push the left stick left to make the helicopter turn left. Push the left stick right to make it turn right. The helicopter has 3 flight sensitivities modes. Flight speed and angle differ with each mode. Toggle down the C-turn switch, and the helicopter gets roll assist when turning. This creates a simulated banked turn. Pull down the left stick for helicopter landing. Once it's stationary, release the sticks and flip up the stop switch. Wait for the propellers to stop spinning. Flip up the home switch. It will return to the takeoff point and land. When GPS signal is weak, it will drift slowly. Push the sticks in the opposite direction to stabilize it. If it suddenly ascends uncontrollably, it's initiating low battery auto return. Flip the mode switch to home mode, then flip it back to GPS to cancel.